Okay, I'm going to talk to you about acupuncture sequencing utilizing stem cell technology. This is quite an amazing thing that we've encompassed, or rather that we've been able to gather data. You know, telling people what you do without the evidence doesn't really do much for your medical practice. But when you can actually show data, physical data of the work that you do, the work that you're trying to achieve, that's a very important thing. So, an interesting fact is that I'm just giving you an update on the broken bone, T12 bone, of the lady that I've been treating for the last 3 weeks. So in a minute I'm going to show you a comparison of before and after effects of the treatment. So the type of technique that we've been using is we're using acupuncture, intervertebral acupuncture. We are using moxibustion. Okay, we're using thigh cupping with bloodletting. We're using electric stim. We're using chiropractic, and we're using DTS to treat this patient. Okay, this is revolutionary. Geez, I thought Mel Gibson was good in The Patriot, but this is just mind-boggling. This is high-tech shit that we're doing. Very powerful. Okay, so enough of the gab. Okay, some people have the gift of the gab. Okay, well, let's back the gift of the gab up with the actual physical results. Okay, here we go. Follow me. All right, so get that around. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay. All right. So you can see this bone here. Okay. It actually shows. This is before. I'm showing you the treatment before. It's fragmented into three segments. All right. So the bone's fragmented before she began treatment. Okay, so you can see I've drawn the distance here. So that's like 2 mil. So she's got a distance of a 2 mil, and you can see that the bone sort of turns into a wedge. Okay. So it looks more or less like a V shape. Okay, so the 7th, 2021. Okay. All right. So that's before. Come over here. All right. And this is 0807. All right. So here, study date 0709. So this is 8 weeks later. Look at that. So the bone is actually forming its own system. It's generating together. Okay. Now, the problem is that we've got this wedge That's how the bone's forming. So we've got to keep up the decompression values using the Johnson steps to decompression. Okay? We want the formation of the bone, as the bone's cementing itself, as the bone is laying down new cement, new dimensions. This is basically what we want. This is what we're aiming for. That's our target. Okay? But that's great news. You can see that yourself. Huh? The power of Hunter acupuncture and chiropractic. Over and out. USAC.